Hi, it's Chef Rashida from The Root, and today we're making Thai chili wings paired with a dark and stormy.
This is Toasted, where delicious, easy to make eats go hand in hand with the dope cocktail.
So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our chicken wings and we're going to season it with a basic rub. I always like to start with some garlic powder, put a good amount on there. You guys know I don't measure, so don't ask. No, I'm kidding. We have the measurements. You can use a little bit of seasoned salt. I really like to use a lot of dried seasonings like onion powder, garlic powder, because they add a lot of flavor without increasing the salt content. And then also smoked paprika. It is amazing on any type of chicken, especially fried chicken. And then we're just gonna take some fresh cracked black pepper and add that to the chicken. To me, what makes a good Thai wing is a mixture between spicy and sweet. That's something that I really picked up on while I was in Thailand. They do have spicy food, but it has like a hit of sweetness as well. So I think when you're cooking, just season it and add as much spice as you like. And if you feel like, you can't take it, you just don't add as much spice. But that's what I love about Thai cuisine. You can really make it your own. So now that we know our oil is hot, you can just take your chicken that we seasoned this. You just want to give it a little shake before you always put any fried chicken. It's just good to take off the excess flour, and you're gonna drop that in. We are going to make the Thai chili sauce for it. And the first thing we're gonna start with is honey. So you really want your honey to come to like a light simmer. And I have a little bit more here, so I'm just gonna add that in. We're gonna let the honey get to a little quick simmer. This is really gonna give it that umami flavor and really bring the flavors together. And then we're gonna use some rice vinegar. And then we're gonna use some sambal olik, ground fresh chili paste, and that's it. That's the sauce.